Okay. Okay, Izzie, tell us how long you've been involved with Didi Rugby for.
I've been doing Didi Rugby Burbage almost a year, so since September last year, and I got started after going to the World Cup final and seeing Vicky in Belfast.
Okay, you've got some exciting news about some travel plans you've got coming up, haven't you?
Yeah, next week I'm going to Kenya for 27 nights to go and do charity work and help them make a better way of life and introduce them to how they can use their resources to make jobs and get a sustainable income.
Okay, sounds like a very hands-on trip. Will you be busy all the while?
Well, I'm going over to help make them have jobs and then build houses and things, but I'm also taking over some Didi Rugby kit so I can go and introduce the children out there to rugby as well.
Fantastic, and they're fans of rugby in Kenya, aren't they already?
Yeah, they've got some good sides, good 7-sides and things as well, so it should be good, and to get the little kids involved even from a young age over there, whereas before they wouldn't have necessarily had that chance.
Yeah, I'm sure there's nothing like that over there at the moment.
No, not that I'm aware of.
So while you're over there, some of the work you're going to be doing is solely with children, is it, to build the primary schools for children of Didi Rugby age?
Yeah, we'll be building primary schools and then teaching them English and basic maths and things, so they get an education that for some of them they wouldn't have had before.
Yeah.
So we can try and bring that to them for the month that we're there.
Okay, do you know if you're travelling around a lot or do you stay in one place?
We're going to 3 different parks, but our main location is Savo National Park and around there.
Okay, and if they ask you to stay on and do a Didi Rugby franchise out there, are you going to stop on or are you going to come back?
I'd come back for college next year and the year after, but then it's not something I'd be completely shut down to. I'd quite like to travel and things, so if it becomes a thing, I'd love to go out there.
Okay, and it's all voluntary, is it, this trip of yours?
Yeah, I raised the money to go out there and fund myself to go with a company called Camps International.
Okay.
And then my mum and dad have thankfully bought my kit for me to go out there and then go in and yeah.
And how many swag bags of Didi kit is Vicky encouraging you to take over?
As many as I can fit in my bag.
Extra luggage allowance?
I've got a lot of balls, I've got jumpers, t-shirts, shorts, stickers, certificates, so it'll be good to show them a bit of what it's
Fantastic, thanks for your time, good luck.